Hello everyone, this is Princey and today we will be exploring the watch window feature of Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Here we have an extract of profit or loss statement, and here in revenues and expenses values we have certain links. Now we want to know from where these values are coming. So it becomes very difficult to memorize these cell numbers and go to the respective sheets and see what all things are included in this cell. So instead, we can use watch window to make things simple. Go to formulas tab, click on watch window, click on add watch and select the cell for which you want to audit the formula. Click on add, and now the benefit of using this is that you can always see the formula on top of your screen for whichever cells you have selected to watch. So you even if you go to detail sheet, you will be able to see this. Even if you open a new sheet, you will be able to see this all the time till the time you delete it. So now if I see this, we have B4, B5, B13. So from here we can easily see that B5 is your trading sales, manufacturing sales, and you have B13, which is your interest revenue. Then you have subtracted the discounts. So like that you can easily track the complex formulas. Now if you want to remove this, just select it and click on delete watch. If the formula is long, you can even like uh, you can even extend it to whatever extent you want to. You can even add multiple cells in one go. Like if I click on add watch and if I want to add both of these revenue and expenses, so I'll add and then I can just bring it down, and from here I can clearly see the revenue and the expenses cell, and it becomes meaningful to track both of them simultaneously. So like that you can use the watch window function, and then if you want to delete them, select them and click on delete. And in case you do not want this window, you can simply click on this cross button here, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, do subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to make more such videos and share my learning with you all. Thank you.